years, the one thing I thought I could always count on was my hometown. You know, everybody has a hometown. They have a hometown they can go back to their friends, to, you know, family, to colleagues, to. We don't have a hometown.
Being 10 months later, almost 11 months later, still getting people every single day that have not sought therapy, right? And what we're seeing is people who have locked it in for almost a year, right? Thought I could. All right, ready?
Seven of my family lost everything, and I lost an uncle in it, and we just, you know, his birthday just came up. It's close to my husband, so it's like, you know, having to, it's really depressing because we have to pass the memorial every day. You know, it's like right there. Like a big teddy bear. I mean, he doesn't even move. He just lets you lean on him. He doesn't even run away. Like now I can feel myself healing because somebody's at least letting me, you know, lean on him.
I think it's the strength of the horse. I mean, just their massive muscle on that, you know, and they can hurt people, you know, but they're so gentle. And
The connection with the horses is different than connecting with machines and human.